What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to put the wing on my, we're going to start putting the wing on the 350Z. I don't know how this is going to go, so I bought an off-brand 326 wing because I couldn't find another one nowhere else. Nobody had one. You can't find a 326 wing. If you can find one, let me know because I need it. But I got it sitting over here, so when I packaged it, I already unwrapped it because I was going to save it for you know, a reveal. But so when it come in, we caught the UPS guys to come, and these people sent me this wing in bubble wrap. That was it, bubble wrap and some plastic. And let me tell you, that was the shittiest thing I've ever seen. So let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. For a video, it looks like shit playing on Steven because he can't hold the gimbal. So we bought a gimbal now, so hopefully you don't see this right here when you're going down and doing this, and hopefully it'll work. But all right, so here's the wing. I mean, the one thing I do like, and I've noticed, is if you, because most time I guess when you buy a 326 wing, you buy it for a different car and just put it on your car. They actually had these already shaped for the back, because I've been watching like several YouTube videos just to figure out how to do this. But when they sent it, it come already shaped. So hopefully we don't have to do a lot of shaping to make it fit good. But look right here, it's chipped here. You know, it's splitting right here. It's splitting on the back as well. If you guys can see that right there. Splitting there, chipping. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it mounted and fit right, and then we're gonna fiberglass the rest of this. So I've never done fiberglass but maybe one time in my life, and so we're gonna try it again. I mean, we're gonna practice. So if anybody's got any hints or tips or, you know, some good ways to do it, let us know. All right, man, let's take this shit back here. Oh wait, gotta get the other wing off first. All right, sit it right here. Set her down. I think one thing's with a 10.
You already had it off once.
Pretty sure the 10 is wrong. I done took this off. Took it off the other day. Yes. So if you never took your stock wing off, there's 2 bolts that holds these. They're 10 millimeters. See this thing, man. Look here, guys. Can you see? Let's see. Let's flip this thing around. Oh man, I feel pretty hot. Oh, wrong way, dude. All right, we got this gimbal. It's a Cam TV Profit. So Steven found this thing. He bought it, and let me tell you. It's heavy. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do because this son. Look, I can't. Whoa, where you going? Where you going, dude? If you walked around like this all day, yeah, dude, you'd be.
Now I've seen them have sticks that you can mount to quick release on the bottom, and you put it on your hip to do that. But we may see if we can find a smaller, just a lightweight gimbal for that camera.
All right, so I have found this out. Check this out. I was messing with it the other day. So technically, it's not working like it should.
What, the gimbal?
Alright, so let me get it straight. Alright, now when you walk that way, if I turn my wrist with you,
Let's That's so
Alright,
much
guys.
better than trying to do it with the other, and I just control the up and down with the button.
Old wing off. Now time for what the hell are we doing? Alright. Let's set this out there.
Where's that table at?
I put it in that building. Let me go get it. That'd be a good idea. Let's go get that. Sit on top of your belly.
That's what I'm doing.
Did you go by the gym? No.
I didn't have time. Remember, I woke up at 4 o'clock. Had to go get that car before dark.
Well, they're still open.
Oh, well, we're filming video now. I'm going. I really am going. I've been thinking about it.
You need to. They just get in a little better shape. I mean, I'm still fat, but I still go. I guess we'll tape it up. Now, right? We're gonna tape about right here. Damn, what are you ain't even looking at me?
I moved my wrist too far and it got out of alignment, so I just turned it off.
So we're gonna tape. You want to tape it now and just tape all this?
What, right now?
Is that what we're planning on doing?
We are going to. We need to tape however wide the wing is.
Well, I'll just tape all this right here.
I would tape all the way because we're going to sand it down and have to repaint it anyways. But for now,
this sticky on there. Is that supposed to be screws?
You got a heat gun? No, there's no screws on it. You got a heat gun? Take the rest of that tape off.
Yeah. We'll worry about that later. So plan on what we want to do is put the wing on, get it all mounted up.
Then we got to sand, fix the wing.
Sand, fix the wing. It's not going to be perfect. I know that.
It's going to be pretty damn close.
But it's going to look good. I think so. Unless somebody wants to find me the 326 wing and just, ship it to me. Then we'll go from there. Alright, let me get some tape. Got a drink that I had here somewhere. Gotta have your vitamin water.
That's just nasty.
That was pretty good.
And then the shutter went off.
Alright, the camera went off, so I don't know what happened there. We about got it all taped up now. About got it up. see where they're giving away the RX-7?
That's the RX-7.
That RX-7, man. Eliminate, you know we watch you. We're all the way up in VA, man. We're days away from y'all. You're making it here. I got everybody around here trying to watch you. You know, y'all pretty funny. So, listen. You can rig that up to where I can win that RX-7. You can keep that money that you want to give too. And I'll put it to the test and we'll drive it from California, ain't that
California.
So
2,000 some miles.
So we'll drive it from California all the way here.
We'll film it.
We'll film every bit of it. Well, we got the wing kind of mounted up. So this is how it looks right now. Still got a little more sanding to do. After we get done sanding it, we'll start fixing on everything on it. Don't look bad. It's gonna look pretty good, but see right here, if y'all can see this here. See that right there? Yeah. We gotta fix that.
Separated.
And then we gotta fix right here. With the separating.
We'll pry that up just a hair and cram fiberglass in there and clamp it back together and lock it.
This is how it comes shipped, guys. I know I bought a cheap one because I couldn't find the one I wanted. Alright, well, it's about that time. We're going to call it a night. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright. Wing is on. We got the wing on. I'll show you here. Alright. Let's open it. Looking pretty good. There it is. The wing, we got it on. Looks pretty good. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. And hopefully, the next video we're going to be trying to sand it. Going to fiberglass it because it's got these chips in it. Right there. Got all them chips in it. Here we go. You can see that right there. Got all them chips and it's split right across through there.
Okay, I'm done.
All that split. So y'all stay tuned. Hey, y'all don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment, tell us what you think. If you got any ideas, let us know.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
Yep, hit that bell.
Ding, so you get notified every time we post.
Alright guys, until next time.